Next event is in Mexico! Bang! Nick Wilson spent a week in Mexico! This is what he did! Day 1! Nick went shopping! Hello! My name's Nick and I'm shopping! Day 2! Nick went surfboarding! Hello! My name's Nick and I'm surfboarding! Day 3! Nick bought a Mexican hat! Hello! My name's Nick and I bought a Mexican hat! Day 4! Hello! My name's Nick! This is day 4! Day 5! Nick had a wank! Hello! My name's Nick and I'm wanking! Day 6! Nick met these Scottish people! Hello! My name's Nick and these are two Scottish people! My name is Rory and this is my cousin Robbie! I'm Robbie! Day 7! Nick sat on a stingray! Hello! My name's Nick and I'm sitting on a stingray! Day 8! Nick used a telephone! Hello! My name's Nick and I'm using a telephone! In Mexico!